Hey guys, I'm back once again. Now I will show you how to find the final velocity of two objects combined using the perfectly inelastic collision equation. So the problem that we're going to use as an example is a 200 kilogram cart has broken loose and zips down the street at 3 meters per second. It crashes into a 600 kilogram box that was at rest and they both move together. What is the final velocity of the car and box combined? So, as I said before, it is a perfectly inelastic collision. But how do I know that? The reason why is this type of collision is that in the problem states that both of the objects move together after the collision. So, this is one of the things that define a perfectly inelastic collision. So in this case, the equation that we're going to use is the mass of the first object times the initial velocity of the first object plus the mass of the second object, times the velocity of the second object equals the final velocity times the mass of the first object plus the mass of the second object. So now moving on to the box of truth, the mass of the cart is 200 kilograms. The initial velocity of the cart is 3 meters per second. The mass of the box is 600 kilograms and the initial velocity is 0 meters because, as it was said in the problem, the box was at rest, and since it was at rest, it was not moving at all. It was in a stationary position. And the final velocity, which is undefined, and that is what we are going to be looking for. As I told you in the last video, I like starting with the equation on and then substituting the variables. So this is the mass of the car, which is 200 kilograms. The initial velocity of the car times 3 meters, it is 3 meters per second. And then bringing the other things down. Now we're going to multiply and simplify all of the things now. So 200 kilograms times 3 meters per second, it is now 600 kilograms meters per second. These will cancel out because anything times 0, it will be 0 all the time, times BF times 200 kilograms plus 600 kilograms. So in this case, we're going to add, and now this will become 800 kilograms times BF. Since we want to find the final velocity, we will have to divide what's besides of it, which is 800 kilograms. Now we're going to divide 800 on both sides. 800 divided by 800 cancels out, and now we're going to bring the BF down. And 600 kilograms divided by 800 will be 0.75 meters per second, and that will be the final velocity combined of both objects. Thank you.